Okay, here's a video for section 8.5, homework problem number 3. It says that we have a $240,000 mortgage, and you can either choose to do a 30-year fixed rate at 8.5% or a 20-year fixed rate at 8%. It's first asking which one is more economical. How much money, which one would you save more money on? Well, obviously you're paying longer here and more interest, where you're only paying 20 years and 8% if you go with the other bank. So you're going to pay a lot less interest if you go with the 20 years, less amount of time, and lower interest, right? That kind of makes sense. And then it's going to ask you how much are you actually saving in interest. And so before you figure out how much you're saving, you got to first figure out what your payment is going to be by using the payment formula in this section. And so plugging in all of our information, we've got our $240,000, we have our interest rate, we're making a payment for 12 months, and we're doing it for 30 years. So all of your information should look like this. You're then going to use your calculator to calculate what the payment is, and you should get a payment of $1,845.39. But that's just your monthly payment. Now, let's figure out how much at the end of the 30 years you're going to end up sending to the bank, how much is going to go toward your house, and how much is going to go toward interest. So you're going to make this $1,845.39 payment every month for 30 years. So I'm going to take the payment, I'm going to multiply it by 12 because you're going to do it every month, and I'm going to multiply it by 30 because you're going to do that for 30 years. You're going to end up sending the bank $664,340.40 total, right? But some of that information is going to go toward your actual house, right? The house costs $240,000, so that's the cost of the house. So let's subtract that from the total, and that'll tell you how much you're going to be paying in just interest, how much is going to go to the bank. And so we end up getting $424,340.40 in just interest. Now, do the same thing with the 40 years. Do the same thing with the 20-year loan at 8%. Find the payment, figure out how much you're going to pay total if you do it every month for 20 years, and then subtract off the amount of the house to see how much you're going to pay in interest if you use that loan. And then subtract to find the amount that you would save if you went with one versus the other. That will tell you the difference in the interest amount that you would pay if you went with the 20-year versus the 30-year. Okay? I hope that helped.